The widow of Weymouth Police Sergeant Michael Chesna is weighing in on a controversial decision to remove the thin blue line flag from fire department trucks in neighboring Hingham, and she also addressed the police reform bill that Massachusetts lawmakers are working to get passed. In a lengthy Facebook post, Cindy Chesna writes in part, "I take each of these actions as a personal attack on everything Mike stood for as a police officer and a decorated Army veteran. My children are growing up in a world where police are vilified. Their father was not a villain. He was a hero who made the ultimate sacrifice. His memory should never be tarnished by anyone." She also writes, "When Mike was murdered, there were no protests, peaceful or otherwise, no riots, no looting. There was certainly no public outcry from politicians for the reform of a broken justice system that lets repeat offenders out on the street." She also acknowledged police officers who choose to abuse their authority, saying they should be removed from their position and punished criminally.